one. Part one, seeing the goats again.
Go.
Okay, guys.
Let me do it. You are such a scaredy cat.
Okay, guys. There's a big goat. Bro.
Why are they running away from me?
Because they're scared of us. Guys. Okay. Oh, wait, what?
Because the girl.
Oh.
Hello.
No
Okay.
thanks.
Let's see the turkey now.
I'm scared that I will do
Turkey.
it.
Eggs.
What?
There.
Now, let's see the turkey. Yeah. Okay.
You.
This is part one. We're going to do part two tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to adventure now. Okay,
Tomorrow never come.
this is the end now. But can I have water?
Oh, sure.
Oh, thanks.
We'll just share a cup.
Yeah,
Yo, bro, this is not our house.
I know.
Yes.
I'm just.
Can you share?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, kids.
Okay, guys. The goat is there. How can we go back?
Thank you. You're scared?
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. We're going to come back. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you?
Go somewhere there.
We're going to adventure now.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Let's stay in the tower again.
Bro, what time is it?
It's kinda 8:29.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya. We're going to go back.
This is our second house.
Yes, guys. Okay.
We're gonna go back to the tower. Then I'm going to go. Then we're gonna go and look for some more spots that look cozy.
Do you remember there? Oh, sure. We're just gonna stay in the tower.
Hey guys,
first.
there's a cow. My friend's gonna go up the tower and I'm gonna go check the cow. Hi, random guy.
That's like our friend, boo.
I don't know.
But you don't remember that guy, Mike?
Oh, nope, I don't remember him. Hey, you can jump here. Oh wait, no. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're going to check.
I don't.
I need live stream with you.
We're gonna check the cow,
Hey,
guys.
guys. This is the same place I went before when I was climbing there.
That cow has been here for as long as I remember.
Same.
We call him Moo.
We call him Bulok.
No, we call him Moo, man.
Oh, Moo, okay. Oh, damn, he's a very big.
He's big now. Wait,
Oh, no, guys. We're just gonna go now.
yeah, there's some stuff that you don't want to see in that cow.
Yeah, sure. Oh my god, what the freak. Sorry about the cow.
Yeah,
Don't just remind it
just
to the owners of YouTube's.
just forget it,
Please, don't ban us.
please.
Okay, guys, we're going to come back in tower. Whew. And we're going to relax with you guys.
It's finally not hot.
Yes, guys, that's finally hot.
This will be hot again in 10 minutes. Oh wait, no, a few minutes,
Or a few seconds.
maybe.
Okay, guys. This look like a rock climbing. We can just do this. For now, never mind. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go back to the tower and we're running. I wish John was here with us. Guys, we're going to watch them. Oh, the room is there, watching us. This is a beautiful. Now it's hot. Let's stay here.
Bro, what is like
Like what? Oh, I remember there's a nest here.
Well, it's not here anymore.
Wait, what?
It's not there anymore.
I think they already moved to a place.
Because that is a big one. Okay, let's go down now.
Okay, guys, we're going
Let's
to
go
go.
that way.
Now we're going to go there. Or there. We're going to go to Sudoy. Sintoy.
Now let's go there.
Now, okay, guys. This is going to go there. I have a amigo. His name is Dodong. Not Kai. Let's just don't jump there.
Why? It's dead now?
Because we're going to break our ankle.
My pants falling down.
Who's scared of heights?
Nothing.
Just chat it in the comments.
Yeah. Unless bro accidentally disables the comments.
Yeah, sure.
This is part 2.
Yeah.
Wait, bro, there's a slide.
Guys, there's a slide, guys. Never mind. It's too small.
Let me.
Okay, guys.
Slide. Whee! Whee! Oh my. That actually slide. No, bro. No, we have to see how you. Okay, he's gonna slide there.
Hey, guys, look.
Pfft.
Okay, let's go. I want to clean my pants and my
Go
hands.
there.
Guys, we're going to the big grass.
There or there?
Not there.
Guys, left or right?
Left or right? Write it in the comments.
Okay. But for now, since you don't have an answer, we're gonna go left.
Yeah.
Next time we come here, you
Right.
tell us, okay? Left or right? You comment it so that we know where to go next. Wow.
Oh, sorry, I'm covering the...
Guys, this is amazing.
Guys, okay. We're going
That's
to...
basically parkour.
It's here, guys. It's here. We're going to go down. Yay, guys. We're going to go down.
Yay! Oh no, that's barbed wire.
Yeah, I know.
You!
Oh, poops.
Oh, baby poop.
Cow poop.
A poop is not a-
Guys, there's a slide, guys.
Oh my.
Slide, guys. I'll do it. Okay, guys, we're going to slide down. Oh, slide down. Okay, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys.
Okay, let's go there. I wish I had a ball so it would be like, they see me rolling the hay.
Guys, you want us to roll for more views? Guys? Or no?
Just comment it.
Yeah, comment it. We're going to do it for part 3.
Yeah. Okay, so you comment left or right. I heard something. Maybe it's an anaconda.
But it's a cow, bro. This is the same one we just went.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Guys, is this a... Wait, can you we did step on it?
Yeah. The thing is so-
Guys, did we just hear a skinwalker sound? Did we just hear that
Let's
for...
go that way.
Guys, let's don't go there, bro. Let's just go here.
Okay, bye. Let's separate.
Oh, okay. Are you sure? We're going to get lost and get kidnapped. Okay, guys.
Oh, it's the same way. Oh, another slide.
Yeah. Guys, we want to slide. Okay, I'll slide.
Guys, we're gonna go back now.
Guys, we're going to slide. Sweet! Oh! That was very fun.
Okay, let's go down now.
And we're going to go back to our home.
Later.
It's been 9 minutes, guys.
What time is it?
It's been 8:37. We still have 2 hours.
1 hour and 20 minutes. 1 hour and 27 minutes.
Guys,
Time is so fast now when we're playing, but when we're answering, time is so slow.
that's true.
Guys, go agree with me. If you're playing on your phone or with your friends, time flies. Like 9 minutes is like...
Guys,
Like-
there's a yellow tree, guys.
Yo, shut up, man.
Guys.
Those are old leaves. Do you not know? People from America always have that. Here in the Philippines, it's kind of rare. Okay, where are we now?
Guys,
Oh, just to remind you guys, we're walking wherever our brain tells us to. Oh, I remember here.
I
We'll
remember.
go down here. Look, I know the way.
Wait, I remember.
Firing range.
Yeah, this is the one the same. No, bro. No. Bro, no.
No, no.
No. Bro, I got hit by a butterfly. In the hands.
Oh. It's called that. I'm a.
Here, bro. Hey guys, we're going.
the phone.
Guys, we're going here with
Give me the phone.
guys. Here, guys. We're here, guys. Okay, it's your turn, bro. Be careful. Hold there, bro. Hold there. Okay, run, bro. Run. Okay, we're in the downs.
Now we're in the firing range.
Guys, we're in the fire range.
Guys, this is called a trampoline.
Yeah, I remember this when we trampoline. Okay, guys. Sometimes there's bees here.
Yeah. Oh, and guys, sorry if it's like, very
Hot.
blurry and
Hot.
it's against the sun.
Yeah.
But trust me, we're going to actually be smarter and do it in the afternoon next time.
Yes.
So it's not that hot and you can actually see where we're going.
Okay, guys. It's been
But the
like 10,
problem is
11 minutes. Boy, it's already 11 minutes.
guys. Okay. Continue.
We're going to stop talking and
Just keep on walking.
yes. Okay. Oh, this is the same place, guys. We're going to go back in the up there. Okay, guys. Oh, they're not watching us. We're not in live stream.
I know.
If we was in a live stream, that'd be crazy. They'll comment here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're good to go there. There's goats. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them.
I feel good.
Don't mind them.
My
My subscribers.
You see a lot of animals today,
Yeah,
and none of them have tried to attack us yet.
yeah.
Yet,
Because they're friendly.
unless
Sometimes they get angry.
yeah, like when we touch their
Horns.
yeah.
Guys.
Okay, you can deal with it.
Okay. They're just a kids, bro.
Oh, can I touch him?
Nah, bro. He can't, bro. He can't, bro. He'll be angry.
So do like that.
But this is the same place. Tama, we went here when we're finding.
Spiders, yeah, with Kian. Kian.
Okay, guys, we're going to go back to our house and let's do it again. In another way.
Yeah.
We're gonna still do this. Ow. Guys,
But we're gonna stop by in one of our houses to drink some water. And
yes.
that's gonna be Chris's house.
Yes, okay. Because we're going to change ways.
Cold water, please.
Yes, okay.
Thank you, my friend.
Hey, what?
What? Let's do that way.
Wait, guys. My feet. There's so much rocks.
You showed them your feet. It's a feet flash, bro.
Sorry, guys. Don't mind my feet because
And we don't even know how to edit it out.
bro, we know how to edit a bit.
Oh, shut up, man. I don't know how to edit.
Bro, you know.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. I use VLLO. Because CapCut you need money to actually use CapCut.
Oh, I can already download it.
No, you need like money so that you can export it. Export me.
Then how did I like click it for no payment? But I don't know what's the password. Guys, we're not going there. Guys, why bro? You get like, bro? Please? Bruh. Now we're going here, guys. Sorry. We have to go. We'll go here. Oh, I remember this place when we went here. With Tamay. Okay, guys. We're back. And
here. Remember that stone that I threw that one?
yes. Oh, it's already got in the dirt.
Big
Okay, guys,
slide.
we're going to run.
3, 2, 1.
Be careful, there's a plant there. Jump.
Okay, there we go. And back.
Okay, there's goats, guys.
Ronaldo is the goat. Messi sucks.
Guys, comment here. Subscribe for Ronaldo, like for Messi.
Guys, please make us famous, man.
Please.
We need this. Please.
It's our dream to get a play button.
Yeah. And when other YouTubers say they get first subscriber play button, we never got it.
Okay, guys, we're going
Now I know that
left.
they're probably lying. No, bro, we're going right. We're going straight. We're gonna see if we have any friends who can play with us.
Oh, true.
Like Zach
Yeah.
or
Tamay.
Zacharias.
Or Tamay.
Yeah.
We're going to invite some of my friends
Yeah, so that
to adventure.
because you know the saying, the more the merrier.
Yeah. Better.
Yeah. But which means more people equals better.
Yeah.
I used to find spiders here, guys.
Wait, you want to search for spiders here?
Yeah, bro, good old days is gone.
Okay, guys, there's no spiders.
But what time is it?
It's 8:45. It's almost 9.
Okay. By 10 we have to
Be home.
Let's pass there to Zach's house.
Oh, it's already been changed. Wait, what? It's been changed. Finally, guys, you can see, guys. Sorry about the light. We're going to visit Zach's house.
Hey, his car is here, so that means
It's here. Or they're still sleeping because their glasses is like.
close.
Wait, live stream eh. Guy, live stream. Tambok na ka. Sorry about that.
Zach? Zach? Zach?
Hey guys, we're going to visit our
Zach?
friend Zach.
Skips school because he doesn't have money to ride a car.
Hey, what?
Yeah, and he's too lazy to walk.
Bro, it's kind of true.
What? Oh, yes.
Okay, stop. I'll sit here. That's okay. Okay, guys, be patient, okay?
Well, waiting, I'm gonna entertain you.
Bro, please,
Guys, 1 plus. Bro, what's 1 plus 1?
It's 3.
Wrong. It's 1 plus 1 equals Wonder Woman. What's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2. 4.
No, 2 plus 2 equals Lapu Lapu.
What? Wait, what? What? We're in live stream. We're in live stream right now. Do you want to say hello? You want to say hello to the live
Bro, he's
stream?
not wearing clothes.
Oh.
Oh, why are
Sorry.
you so dumb? Sorry. Bye. Yes, sure. Tomorrow. Saturday.
Sure, tomorrow we're going to be live. We're going to be live stream tomorrow.
Nah, bro. You don't have 50 subscribers. I have 57, but I need my mom's something so I can do the thing.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Thank. Are you gonna go back? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Let's go. Okay, guys. We're going to go to... I want to ask water again.
Yeah.
Okay. Zach. Can you have water?
Sure.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Go in. I'm inside. Thank you.
Okay. We're going to drink water, guys.
One cold.
Yeah, sure.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Zach.
Wait, why are we saying see you tomorrow? We haven't planned yet.
Oh, true. Okay, bro, let's go, bro. Come. Oh, it's cold. Guys, finally we got water.
Not finally. This is mine. Nah, this is mine.
Why?
This has more water. This is mine.
Hey!
Wait, but this is bigger, so. Oh, perfect. Oh, hi. Bye, bro. Bye.
Guys, go. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you, Zach. And your mom. We're going to go now.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, bye, Zach. There we go. Bye. Handshake too.
See you. You know the handshake, bro?
The handshake, bro. Just do that, bro. Just do that. Just. What was that? What's yours?
Just like this.
Oh.
Boom, boom. Shake hands. They're like that.
Oh. Oh, okay. I know now. Oh, I know now. Finally.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bro. See ya.
See you tomorrow. Tell me if you want to join our video.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Anyway, let's go now.
I'll send the editing.
You want that? Okay. Okay. Wait, you want to torture a cat?
No.
Did you know one time my friend Chris killed a cat?
No, that was Lucas.
No, it was Chris. Because he threw him into the water and it went inside his mouth and nose and he became mutated and then we kicked him.
No, I didn't.
Yes, we did.
You did it.
No, I kicked him so I could protect you from the mutated cat.
Guys, it's not true, guys.
It is.
Don't listen to my bro.
Don't. If you say it's not true again, I'm gonna rage.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's
It's
just
real, guys.
in the Pino.
Say it's not true.
It's not true.
Like your dad.
Like your PDD. Okay.
Why are you showing me peas?
Sorry, guys.
Somewhere else.
Okay, guys. We're going to sit here. Bye, Zach! Bye. You're done. Okay, your turn to hold it. I'm going to pee.
Okay. Hey, yo, don't eat. Hey guys, let's climb this. Obama, I cannot climb with one hand. Hold the phone.
Okay, guys. My friend is going to climb there.
Or no need.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my.
This will be so much views. I don't know. It's about to pee. Okay, guys, she's done climbing. Is it your mom? Or not? Okay, let's go. We're done peeing. Okay, we're going back. Hey, come. Wait! And you realize it's a dump. Guys, you have to search for you have to do this. There's people.
No, the metal one.
This will be loud.
I'll be here.
Guys, we did a door knock.
You should have banged that loud monkey.
You can bang it loud. It's okay.
Like this. That is not loud.
Me on to fire. Okay, we're just gonna go adventure. Going to go back to our house.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So every video will be like this. We start from our house or my friend's house. Then we go some weird place. Then if we find the way that leads to my friend or my house, then that's where we end the video. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Pretty solid in here. But
Animal abuse. Who did a swing there before?
oh yeah, true. Giants.
Yeah.
This is a swing before.
Yeah, I know.
That was from 90s
Yeah.
or 20s.
No. Or 6, 7.
My tata is born in 1950, like 2 or 6.
My dad is born in 1977.
Oh, that means my father is still older.
Yeah.
My tata, Daddy Jelson is born in 1976 or 5 or 2 or 3. I don't know.
My uncle, no, he's almost 100.
Damn, that means he's older than my tata.
I'm just kidding. Hey, is it Oreo?
Oreo.
It's so cute. Aww.
Okay, guys, you want to pet them, guys, with my phone? No. Guys. Hey, Oreo.
Oh, I feel bad for that guy.
Oreo.
Bro, he's so skinny now, right?
Last time, bro, he was fat, and he became skinny now. He got abused. This guy abused before. Oh, hello. Oh, you want to pet them?
Okay.
Okay, guys, you want to pet them? Here, pet. Oh, he's scared. Sorry about. Okay. I think they're laughing too. Okay, guys, we're almost at home, and we'll end this tomorrow. It will take us 24 hours.
My parents are leaving. Hey, that means it's almost time.
This is Lucas' dad.
No, it's my mom.
Oh, this is Lucas' mom. Their new car. We're just friends.
Yeah.
Hello, bye.
Yeah, bye. Yeah.
We're gonna do part 3.
Let's play soccer.
Yeah. And let's edit this first.
Yeah.
It's been 30 minutes. It's almost 1 hour.
Only 30 minutes. Wait, they just left now. That means we still have like 2 hours.
With you.
Smart.
Diba your mom will go home?
When she says she's gonna be very fast, sometimes it's 4 hours.
If it's 4 hours, you have time.
Bro, you want to play with me like my merging game?
Yes.
This one.
Guys, it's very hot now. My back hurts. Can you not see?
Well, give it to me. It's lying down here.
Okay.
Bro, your phone is overheating.
Oh no. Oh no. That's what we broken. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Here, hold it. Here. Sorry, guys. Here. Please don't overheat.
Sometimes if it's too hot, it will explode.
I know. Granny, it's not too hot, no? Look.
Yeah, one time my phone was hotter. Like
My-
me.
My Granny, we can't
Like
do it.
me, bro. When I lose my game, my face becomes red hot. Then I punch
My
my
Granny,
phone.
it's not very that hot. You want to follow that light?
Time to run.
Okay.
We're gonna turn off the light, guys. Just give us a second.
Guys, it's 1%, guys.
Huh?
It's 1%.
You're not lying?
No.
Show me.
No, it's not. It's not, guys. You have to run, guys.
It's 1%?
Yes. Run! Guys, we're going to run, guys. It needs to be charged. Guys, just go.
Just go to my house.
We're going to go now. Give me.
I'm getting tired. Your turn. And go.
I'll charge it. Hold it. Guys, we're going to end this. Guys, we're going to end this now. Bye, guys.